Yinz, guys. I did 2 Toys R Us videos showing like what the clearance prices were and what was left at my store, and they were popular. So I'm at Babies R Us today. I'm a hot mess emotional. Like, I kind of want to cry. As a mom, I'm more sad to see this store go because it means a little bit more to me. Yeah. Anyway, let me show you guys what's on clearance and what's left in my store. All of the apparel is 60% off. That's not the best deal for Carter's clothes, but for other brands' clothes, that's a really good deal. There seems to be plenty of strollers and that type of thing still left at my store anyways, 50% off. There seem to be a few different things like this still on sale, but they're only 50% off. Most fixtures are 50% off. There are a few left, quite a few left. Seems like they're mostly like the floor models. Look at all this. Empty. You guys, this makes me more emotional than Toys R Us. Like, as a mom. Y'all know what I mean? There are some diapers left and stuff like that, and feeding, which I didn't see any at any Toys R Us. They're only 30% off though. This is, I guess, all that's left at my store for the different like baby products as far as like laundry and stuff, but it's only 30% off. And then there are other things. Oh, this is cute little teething scarf. And this, I don't know if this is 30 or 50. I can't find a price tag. Everything is advertised as 50 to 70, see behind me, but yet this stuff's only 30, so I'm confused. I also found this, which I did not expect to find, which is super cool. This actually really surprises me. They have some Lego stuff. This is the only thing they have. But all of the Toys R Us Legos are sold out. At least places I've been to, they've been like almost sold out. So maybe check Babies R Us. This is confusing for me, but it's 40% off. They do have some other toys. The toys all seem to be 50% off. Oh, they actually have some Paw Patrol stuff. And their books are 70% off, which is pretty cool. People are looking at me like, what are you doing? Like, you know, anyway, there you go.
All right, you guys, I just realized that I did not end this video. There is no conclusion, and I didn't get to tell you my favorite part of the whole thing. So I'm editing and putting together my clips, and I have a really crappy webcam, so I wanted to tell you guys a couple things. First thing is, there is one particular toy that I was trying to find at a few different Toys R Us stores and could not find it, and I found it at this Babies R Us at the front of the store. It's like a Disney princess castle, and it was half price. I was so excited. I bought it to save for Christmas. As soon as we came home, I put it away in like my Christmas stash and forgot to take a picture to show you guys, but I paid half price for it. I asked the cashier and she said the reason that all of the toys were there is because Toys R Us is trying to like push all the merch out, so they send it to a bunch of different Babies R Us stores. So if there's a toy that you're looking for, Babies R Us may have it, or you may find like a gem. Like I found that really cool light there, half price at Babies R Us. You never know. My Toys R Us store had plenty of strollers left. I know some people were like looking, and some people found that a lot of them, some people found none of them, but you never know. But if you're looking for toys, I went to Babies R Us thinking they might have like some more body wash and stuff. I never thought I'd find the toy I was looking for there. But anyway, that is it. I'm sorry that this is ending on a crappy webcam video, but that is it. Please stay and subscribe. I have 2 shop with me videos from the past couple weeks from Toys R Us, and I'll link those below if you want to see that. Those. Please stay, subscribe, couponing, DIYs, you know, all that stuff every week. Anyway, all right, bye. I love yous.